Adobe Podcast free plan works great, but it does come with a few limitations. Max 30 minutes or 500 MB per file, so you can't upload long recordings. Up to 1 hour of enhanced audio per day. Once you have hit that, you will need to wait until the next day. Audio only. It doesn't support video files on the free plan. One file at a time and no bulk processing or adjustment controls. Everything is done one upload at a time without manual adjustments. Have you tried any other apps or platforms to clean up your audio? Drop your suggestions in the comments. I'd love to check them out and maybe feature them in a future video. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip on improving your audio and video content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.